This is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Cut.It.Out with myself and Lisa, and this is the cut file we are going to use, and it's from Paige Evans. I am super excited to bring back this series. Lisa got a new cutting machine, which is Silhouette, and we decided to bring back Cut.It.Out. We started this way back 3 years ago when I first got my YouTube channel going. Her machine went fuddy-duddied on her, so then it took us a minute, life happened, and now we are back, and I'm super excited about this. So what this is all about is where we use cut files and we give you two different takes on it. It is her birthday today, so make sure that if you are watching this on January 4th, go and wish her a happy birthday, like and subscribe to both of our channels. Now, I did back it with the collection from Close to My Heart. This is the birthday collection that is in the main catalog, and I'll link all that down below. I backed it, most of it, with that, and I cut it out in pattern paper, and then I came in with all these different type of sequence mixes from Spiegelman Scraps along with the Close to My Heart. And I'm going to tell you this, I don't even think I used the Close to My Heart one, only because I was trying to fill in and use up some of the smaller ones that I have that are not as full. So you guys know this, I do all of the backing, and then I take my little sponge and I wipe ink on it. With it being a darker layout, white is the best to use. So if you have white, that's the best thing to do. Push it down, put your sequence in where the color is at, and then put glue on it and put it down, and then it's done. So we decided to do our birthdays, and this is 2019's birthday. We went to Cold Stone. I don't eat birthday cake all that often, so what I always tend to do is either go eat at Cold Stone or have some other type of treat. And I don't eat I'm going to be honest with you, I really don't eat that much birthday cake. So this is what we did there, and this was I'm turning 39, so 30, I turned 39, so this was 37. Was I 37 at the time? Yeah, this was 37. Oh my gosh, I can't even remember anymore. Yikes. This year in 2021, I am turning 39, and I am 1 year from 40, and let me tell you, yeah. And Lisa is just a year behind me. I was born in 82, she was born in 83, so we're not that much far off into our 40s, and I feel like it's going to be my new 25, but I've always been saying I'm 25, and I just haven't how many times, so yeah. So off camera, I did a ton of fussy cutting of one of the older collections that unfortunately you cannot get anymore. But I'm trying to use up my stash along with the current collection so I can put them together, and it works out well. So I did a bunch of fussy cutting. I did all these florals for this collection or for this layout, and then I also came in with a bunch of little party hats and all of that fun stuff for it, and I just love how this turns out. Now remember, when we do this type of series, we take the same cut file and give you like two different types of layouts, and I haven't seen what her layout looks like, Lisa's, but I do know what her cut file looks like, and so she did something different with it than what I did. I did 3 sets of shaker pockets and then backed the rest of it out. So that's what I absolutely love. So obviously I will link the cut file down below. I will link Lisa's channel down below. Obviously I will link also the Close to My Heart products that I'm using as well. That's on this particular collection that is available for you to purchase if you would like. So now I am just getting everything glued down. I kind of fussy and putzed around with this to kind of see where I would like things to go. And my birthday's in June, so I always have like the summer type layouts, and I love them. But I wish some days I had a birthday in the winter too, because I like those winter layouts too for birthdays. So it's kind of like that happy give or take. You get a winter layout from Lisa, and then you get a summer layout from me because of when our birthdays land. But yeah, so that is kind of what I am doing there. I'm using the thread. I'm getting more of that. I'm getting more of that to be put on my layouts, because I'm going to be honest with you, I miss doing this and I forget. And I realized that I have to go into Walmart and get some yellow. I didn't even have any yellow. I didn't realize I didn't have yellow in my layout or in my stash of like thread that I have. So that is one color I got to get when I get ready to go back to Walmart and shop a little bit inside the store. I obviously don't do as much shopping inside stores. I do more pickup, but that's okay. So I'm just gluing everything down and I'm getting everything ready. So life, let's see what about life. As this video goes up, it is my last day and it's my 30th day of being at home. The last time I was at work was December 4th. Y'all know what happened in the month of December. It was nuts and crazy and whatever you want to call it. And so starting the 5th of January, which would be when this layout goes live, would be the next day, will be my first day back into the school. We do the 5th through the 8th, 5th, 6th, 7th, yeah, the 5th through the 8th is going to be without students, and then we actually go until Monday the 11th is also a day with no kids, and then the kids come back the 12th of January, and then we go the 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th, and then I'm off for 3 days, and then we go the long haul until February. Yeah, until February, and then we have President's Day. So ultimately, a lot of my stuff here will be able to keep you, I'll be able to keep you up to date, I guess. The other thing too is Josh has made it over to Kuwait. He is good to go. He is in his barracks. He's settled in. And believe it or not, on the 6th of January has been 30 days since he's been gone. So it has been, we got through Christmas, we got through New Year's, we got through both of our quarantines, all in the first month of him being gone. So isn't that crazy? But ultimately we're rounding down to 11 months as of, in 2 days. So that's awesome. So yeah, it's just, it is what it is, right? Life happens, life goes on, and we are here and doing it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it there. So here I am. I'm just putting all these little bits and bobs together on there. I'm taking all of my these are the little embellishments that I took off. I fussy cut these out. They're little party hats, the stars, their presents down below. Like right now I pushed down the layout just so that I can work on top, but you'll see I'll push it back up so I can work on that bottom a little bit. And it's got presents and stuff down below. I gotta remember to look and make sure that I'm in camera. I don't know why I've been doing this lately. But there it is. There's the bottom part of it. You see it right then and there. And now I came in with the sticker pack, and I'm just adding little things here and there along the way. And there are the presents down below. So I added like little presents and stuff on there. And now I'm coming in with the word celebrate. As of right now, you can't quite see it, but I do turn off the camera and I take my black pen and I outlined it. And then you can really see it. And then in still shots, you'll really see it. So in real life, you do see the word celebrate, and that is going to be my title. I am zooming. So on my channel, not on my channel, but in my group, I'm so sorry about that. Don't know why it's doing that. I think I am so sorry about that. I know that my phone is on airplane mode, but it's doesn't like white space all that often sometimes. So don't know why I did that. Sorry about that. I did get there's gems that you can buy from Pink Fresh Studio that comes in little bowls like this. And I pulled out the darker blue. It's almost like navy iridescent blue. And then the light, I would say aqua color. And I add those pieces to it. And then I take the little flowers that are from Spiegelmom Scraps. It's one of the collections. And I add that in there. And then I come in with white splatters, and then that is it for my layout. I absolutely, positively love how this is. Make sure that you go check out Lisa's channel as well to see her take on this. We are coming back for twice a month, so we are going to be on the 1st and the 4th. No, the 1st and the 3rd. The 1st and the 3rd Mondays. So the 1st and the 3rd Mondays of every month right now, we are going to come in with our Cut.It.Out series. So I'm super excited for this to be back, and I'm super excited to be doing this because her and I definitely do some different takes with the cut files to give you some inspiration. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I'm on design teams, collaborations, 12x12 notebooks, traveler's notebooks, all of the goodness. And I am a Cricut user. So make sure that you like and subscribe. Here are the still shots. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.